This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare GitHub versus VS Code. GitHub is a web-based platform primarily for version control and collaborative code hosting, built around Git. It's where you manage your repositories, track changes, and work with teams. VS Code, on the other hand, is a powerful, open-source desktop code editor developed by Microsoft. It's your local workspace for writing, debugging, and editing code. They serve distinct but highly complementary roles in the software development lifecycle, each excelling in its specific domain. GitHub shines as a central hub for project collaboration and version control. It provides robust features like pull requests for code review, issue tracking for task management, and project boards for agile planning. Millions of open-source projects reside here, fostering a massive community. Furthermore, GitHub Actions offers integrated continuous integration and continuous deployment, automating your build and release pipelines directly within your repository. It's essential for team-based development and project visibility. VS Code excels as a highly customizable and efficient code editor. It boasts an extensive marketplace with thousands of extensions, allowing you to tailor it for virtually any programming language or framework. Key features include powerful debugging tools, an integrated terminal, and seamless Git integration right out of the box. Its lightweight design ensures quick startup and smooth performance, even with large projects. Remote development capabilities also allow you to work on code hosted anywhere, making it incredibly versatile. Ultimately, GitHub and VS Code are not competitors, but rather powerful allies in the developer's toolkit. Most developers use VS Code for their local coding, leveraging its rich editing and debugging features, while simultaneously using GitHub to host their repositories, manage version control, and collaborate with teams remotely. VS Code's built-in Git integration makes this workflow incredibly smooth. Understanding their individual strengths allows you to harness both effectively, creating a highly efficient and productive development environment for any project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.